we are going to learn unit fractions. What are unit fractions? Now we know fractions have two parts, that is numerator and denominator. In unit fractions, numerator is always 1. Now look at the examples. 1 over 2, 1 over 5 and 1 over 7. These fractions are unit fractions because numerator is 1. Unit fractions are important because they can be used to explain other fractions. Now look at this figure. The figure has divided into 4 equal parts. 2 are colored. The colored fraction is 2 over 4. Now let's consider this fraction separately. When we consider this part, the colored portion is 1 over 4. And this part also, colored portion is 1 over 4. Altogether 2 over 4. That means we can understand 2 over 4 forms 2 1 by 4s. This figure is divided into 6 equal parts. 5 are colored. The colored fraction is 5 over 6. Now let's consider these colored fractions separately. This one, color fraction is 1 over 6, 1 over 6, 1 over 6. This one also 1 over 6. And last one also 1 over 6. All together, 5 1 over 6 formed 5 by 6. Now we can see 5 over 6 forms 5 1 by 6. First one, fill in the blanks using denominator and numerator. The blank of 8 over 3 is 8. The answer is, here 8 is the denominator, answer is denominator. Second one, the blank of the 5 over 11 is 5. 5 is the numerator here, the answer is numerator. Second question, write down the fractions with denominator 5 and numerator 2. We have to write the fraction denominator 5, numerator 2. Answer is 2 over 5. Now third question, choose the unit fractions. Now we know what are unit fractions. Unit fractions means numerator always 1 and denominator any number. Now let's choose the unit fractions. 3 over 5, 1 over 4, 2 over 3 and 1 over 7. We can see two unit fractions, 1 over 4 and 1 over 7. See the last one, 4 over 11, 7 over 10, 1 over 15 and 1 over 27. Here unit fractions are 1 over 15 and 1 over 27. Now see this exercise. Choose the appropriate value from the brackets. Answers are given in the bracket. First one, 2 over 5 is 2 1/5. Second one, 4 over 7 is 4 1/7. Third one, 2 over 3 is 2 1/3. Fourth one, 3 over 4 is 3 1/4. Fifth one, 3 blank is 3 over 5. Then answer is 1 over 5. Last one, 5 blank is 5 over 8. Answer is 1 over 8. Children, I hope you can understand what are unit fractions and how to use unit fractions to explain the other fractions. Now see my next video to learn more about unit fractions.